plenty of people who can get stuff done, but not all of them can do it with style. Get what I'm saying?
Your style just makes a mess of things. Right in it.
Nice to see you again.
I'm glad to see you recently shifted your focus to Nautilus.
I'd like to hit...
Got any new jobs? The word spoken once a... Just never.
Nice to see you again. How's it going?
Pain and pleasure. I still hold. Good to see. I'd like.
Everything. Got any?
No. Maybe you can go clean your guns. They've been bearing a heavy burden lately. Jaren, I want to pick out a new shell for myself. Research indicates regular use reduces the chance of a firearm malfunctioning.
You asked for this.
Research indicates regular usage reduces.
An unfamiliar outsider. The perfect targets. Hey! Wanna play
What
a
are we
round of
waiting
Shadow
for?
Shaper
I'm already
Claudia,
starting to look
what are you
forward
hitting
to
my
the
head
loot.
for?
My dear assistants, the shifting gate is starting up. Please get ready.
Research.
Get your protective suits situated, activate the Geiger counter, and move your bodies. Initialization complete. The elevator is ready to activate. Connection anchored. Lanue Aeronautics Campus, Ulsan Petrochemical Plant, the Kronstadt Extraterrestrial Arcology. For convenience sake, we typically call them the Aeronautics Campus, Icefield, and Arcology.
Documents indicate that Bastracorp carried out tons of research on the Vets in secret. Conspiracy theorists even stated that their understanding of the Vets rivaled that of Clovis Bray. Those were mere conspiracy theories, mind you. No evidence of that mark. Oh, for the love of... The Vets are attacking the transmission terminals through the network itself! I can only keep one terminal operating per sector right now. If these Vets are after the shifting gate's mainframe, things may become quite troublesome. Those are alien robots capable of opening countless portals wherever and whenever they please. eyes on the detector, you may encounter some trouble while submitting your data. Or perhaps it's good fortune.
The large amount of data your ally is carrying has caught the eyes of your opponents.
Party's over. I've retrieved the large detector. You've done a great job. Now, leave the area and continue your research elsewhere. That much? Looks like I'll need to upgrade my bandwidth. Data has been received.
A prime anomaly has been marked. Rally with your allies.
I've detected several new unknown signals within the shifting shrine. Though it's a rather bold hypothesis. New key targets, perhaps?
We've passed half-time now. Have you collected enough data to meet the baseline? I've marked an exterminator. I bet you're eager to get the data nucleus they're holding. It's time for some teamwork. Protect the data nucleus together.
Any last words?
Outstanding contribution. Outstanding contribution. That much? Looks like I'll need to upgrade my bandwidth. Data has been received. Another exterminator has been marked. Smash that data nucleus. Or politely ask for it. Up to you. If they successfully translate the data nucleus, the credits will be theirs. made the data doubly active. Now's a great time to upload.
Your ally is under attack in the ice field. Go provide backup. Your ally is under attack in the ice field. Go provide backup.
You have 1 minute left to submit your data. Have you taken note of your research contribution rank? It's a
Your
ranking of
ally is
the
under
team's
attack in
submitted
the ice
data
field.
quantity.
Go provide
Some
backup.
teams are already leading by a mile.
The large amount of data your ally is carrying has caught the eyes of your
Have you
opponent.
taken note of your research contribution rank? It's a ranking of a team's... Only 30 seconds left. Assistants who haven't submitted their data, this is your last window of opportunity. Have you taken note of your research contribution rank? It's a ranking of a team's submitted data quantity. Some teams are already leading by a mile. Have you taken note of your research
Looks like I'll need to upgrade my bandwidth.
It's a ranking of...
Your performance was still adequate. Bring the Vex incursion data you gathered back to the lab.
We've made quite a haul this time. When you return, we can discuss the next research topic.
I've gathered all the latest news for you. You can check them when you have time. You want to take on some bounty?
Eyes like a hawk, nose like a hound. I'll play nice. If I have to. I am the tide that cannot be turned. I'm not lonely. I'm alone. There's a difference. You know what's missing? Explosions. You know what's missing? Explosions. Time to crack some skulls. know what's missing? Explosions. Quick and easy, like plundering a wrecked ship.
Your spirit is overflowing, Captain. Only good. The words spoken once a shot's fired are either the ultimate truth or the ultimate lie.
Your people are not.
You signed off the North Star, Captain. Time to navigate the uncharted.
There are realities beyond. Many are.
I've got plenty of reserves. Enough to send all our enemies to their graves. No abnormality spotted. We can press on. If you find anything odd, no matter what it is, tell me immediately, however. Detail can spell danger. Any last words? Ample preparation to make for decisive victory. Today's not your lucky day. Research indicates...
Val's is ready.
Alone, I am a threat. Together, we're their worst nightmare. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. Time for me to handle it. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's keep pushing forward. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. Time for me to handle it. Time for me to handle it. Get oblivion! Don't test me. Void energy grows with time. I'll take down whoever I have to.
Seize the moment before it becomes dust.
Let's keep pushing forward. Let's keep pushing forward. I will make them regret every shot. It's too late to run. They should have finished the job. Get oblivion! I will make them regret every shot. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. It's too late to run! Agreed. You should add Void Light to their list of problems. Let's get a better look at things. I'll take down whoever I have to. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. pushing forward. I'll take matters into my own hands. It's too late to run! I'll take matters into my own hands. Let's keep pushing forward. I'll take matters into my own hands. I'll take matters into my own hands. I'll take down whoever I can. I'll take down whoever I can. Peak at oblivion! Fewer problems in the way.
The lion's patience is finite.
I'll take matters into my own hands. This place lacks balance. Let's fix that. Let me guide you to... pushing forward. Anyone else? Didn't think so.
Must be it.
Sorry. Can love and romance save?
Five.
My response.
Keep jabbering. Brock is my relic. Want to hear him speak? I don't think that's such a good idea.
Why don't we see if there are any new bounties?
Don't worry. We can finish this quickly. It's fine. I won't mess this up.
The true dangers are ever in the Shadowverse, waiting to come.
This will be over soon.
Full well, there is always a better solution. Violence.
This will be over soon. This will be over soon. Face your true self.
So much desire, so much greed.
It's fine. I won't stop this. This will be over soon. Let's go, Tin Can. Let's go, Tin Can. Finally. Peace and quiet.
There's no...
Everything.
You know full well there is always a better solution. Violence.
Got any new...
wreck is my relic. Sorry, I just wanted to get away from the fire. It brings up unpleasant memories.
I'm gonna turn on my mic. I'm not gonna turn on Discord, so yeah. Where are you seeing your fucking stream results anyways? It doesn't show me. It literally doesn't show me. Twitch recap. Alright, let's take a look. I only watched 153 hours, 215 days. Top categories. Guild Wars 2, Marvel Rivals. Holy shit. Earned 86,000 channel points on this one. What the fuck? I watched 30 hours of your stream. Holy shit. Clip that. 5 clips. That's crazy. Alright. Can I unmute Discord? Do you want to talk with me? Or do I just leave Discord muted? I'll just leave Discord muted. I'll just talk. I've been trying to implement this fucking system since yesterday, but I've been kind of busy. Trying to... Yeah. Hello? What do you mean, hello, void? What do you mean, hello, void? You are talking to... God, this guy. Okay, I think I implement this part today, and then I implement a basic test, and I call it a day. All right, let's get our timer clock running. I'm going to get some water first, and I'll be back because I'm not doing a hackathon. I've just been working on this shit, dude. 90% of my code is just fucking comments, so I remember what the fuck I need to code. And here's the other thing: good code only. No fucking 5 million nested if statements bullshit that people make, dude. Some of this code already makes me want to throw up with how like shit it is. But like this, oh my God. I don't know if there's a category for code. Is there a category for? No, there's. What do you mean? Oh my. Oh, I'm not in the category. Software and game development. Is that the one? All right. Well, I'm not Pirate Software, so you know. There's no way, right? Dude, like some of this code is so shit already. Like, look at this. This is like ugly. No, this is just a massive fucking OR statement. You see, find this or this or this or this. Like, yeah. Is Hightail hiring right now? Oh my god, they have anti-cheat development, customer support agent, quality assurance. Qualification 3 years of Java. What about quality assurance? Deep understanding of Hypixel server, including features and mini games. Not just fucking, dude. Does that mean I have to play Minecraft again? Does that mean I have to play Minecraft? Yeah, I think I just emailed them. All right. Please help me, bro. Please help me. I don't have a Twitter account. Why are they asking for my Twitter account in their fucking... The application process. What is your Minecraft UUID? That's a, I have to play Minecraft. I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't know if I can go skiing. When are we going skiing? That's a real question. When are they going skiing? I don't know when they're going skiing. Not my problem. Well, it is my problem. I'm gonna go get some water. I feel like shit. I've been rejected from so many jobs. I feel like burning. I feel like burning society down, but I'm like holding myself in. You know, I'm giving myself mental exercises every day to not go psychopathic. You know, American Psycho. I kind of get it now. I kind of get it now. I kind of get why he just went out and fucking murdered people. I kind of get fucking Patrick's fucking Mr. Bateman's mentality. Yeah, I kind of understand Patrick Bateman's mentality at this point. You know, I always was like, I can't believe like, you know, like there's no way that like if you get like, oh, you're doing some shit in work, nothing's going right for you, you wouldn't just get the sudden urge to murder someone. But like, I don't know, maybe it's just like in human instinct to revert to fucking violence. You know, this primal nature that we have of just. I'm gonna get fucking canceled for saying this shit. You know, whatever. You know, it's whatever. I'm just saying how I feel. I don't feel good. That's all I feel. I don't feel so good. And like, okay, I just had someone DM me on Discord, and their name is called I Cheat on Skyblock, and they sent me this image. Hold on, let me send you this image. Why? I don't understand. I don't get it. Yeah, but you know, there's that. I'll be back. I'm gonna get some water, and I'll be back to coding. Hopefully, I finish this section today, and I can call it a day. And I just mark it down on my Trello board, and I'm like, oh my god, 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 oh my god. Yeah. What? What do you mean you got a clip? What do you mean you got a clip? Oh my god! Please tell me that there's context. Please tell me that there's context. Please tell me there's context. Dude, I swear to God, if this is a clip of saying, I kind of get, oh no, dude. Did it get clipped yet? Did you? Oh, it should just go. It should just fucking go into my clips. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh my god, it's under, it's there. It's under your clips, right? Yeah. Under my clips? No, my channel. Oh my god, dude, this fucking clip. No, dude. No. No. Bro. Oh, bro. It's gonna be taken out of context. Dude, it's gonna be 10 years from now. I'm gonna be at a job. So I'm just gonna pull this up, and they're gonna be like, so on December 4th in 2025, you said that you kind of understood what I meant to want to kill someone. Would you mind explaining that? And I'm sitting in a court of law because I didn't pay my taxes or some shit. My entire career is going to collapse because of this one Twitch clip. I don't know if this is like a good thing, but dude, I said I was going to get water. Fuck it. I'm getting water. I'll be back. Fuck this shit, dude. You know, people can say they're like pretty or they have a nice body, but they're like, you know, they're obese and they're like, oh, that's like, you know, that's like normal. It's like, it's good to be obese. But then, you know, the mirror never lies. You just have to put those people in front of a mirror and have them say that to their own face. Like, dude, I don't know how. I don't know how you can like look at yourself in a mirror and if you're obese and say like, yep, this is okay. But I genuinely don't. I don't get it. Like, I genuinely don't understand that. Like, how should I, like, you know what I mean? Like, how do you look at yourself and then you realize, like, I can barely fucking walk, and you think that is okay? You know what I mean? No? Mentally ill liberals. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. If you look at my actual fucking stream titles, they're yeah. So if you notice, my stream titles are literally like the first sentence that comes into my mind when I start streaming. Yeah, it's just +8 bone chill. Like, that's literally all that happened. It was a +8 bone chill. I don't actually post videos normally. It's mostly just fucking shorts and live. So if you go to the live section, that's it. The videos are yeah, just shitty shorts. They're just clips of like the stream. That's it. Yeah, that's literally it. There's no editing.
No, I still want edit. No, I get more views from my editing. But yes, I don't have bomb.
I haven't put any shorts out lately. I should go like clip some fucking shorts for my other streams, to be honest. I'll have to put that into my schedule. Like, the only way I'm doing these things is like I'm slowly working them into a fucking schedule. So I'm like, must get on, must stream 2 hours every day, must, I need to put in my schedule, must make 1 clip every 2 days or some shit. Yeah.
I just got do the like inspirational
this is going to be like fucking evidence against me in a court of law, bro. I don't know if I should. Oh, God. Do you like my stream titles, by the way? The other day was just beep, 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 beep. And then the other day was, what was it? I retract my previous statement. Pain is not a state of mind. And the one before it, which was just dots and dashes. Well, yeah, it's just Morse code. Nah. I think I'm just gonna do like half an hour more of this and then head off, make some clips, go to sleep. Oh, by the way, I'm becoming uber lazy. You know what I found the other day? AI video clipper. I talked to the employees. I talked to the employees in the company, and they were like hiring people, and I tried to apply. I don't know if I'm gonna get in, but they were like, "Yeah, just use our AI video clipper." I'm like, "Okay, sure." It automatically makes shorts and posts them. I know. I think I just yeah. I mean, that's not a is a good. It's a really good idea. Just have a fucking inspirational, like, you know, like the sunset, the guy on the top of the hill, the guy on the top of the hill with his arms outstretched, just like, you know. Yeah, like, yeah, I get it. Dude, I need to get. Let me get typing, bro. My fingers are fucking like not. Let me start actually coding, bro. I'm wasting time.
Why use it light mode? What the fuck?
What do you mean light mode?
This screenshot is in like.
Oh yeah. My YouTube's in light mode. What? I don't like dark YouTube. It's okay. You know, I just noticed there's so many fucking bots. It's crazy. I'm actually happy whenever I see a bot in my channel. It makes me feel like I'm a real human being. Yep. What? I need to set that up though. I'm using OBS and don't want to fucking set something up like that right now. Yeah, I know. I would have to set it like I have a kick chat window that I don't use anymore. Yeah. Kickers.
Would you buy Elden Ring?
No. No. Why would I buy Elden Ring Nightmare?
Not enough.
Why would you ever use an if statement? No, like with switch statements. No, that's what I mean. I'm trying to think because, like, I'm pretty sure at the compiler, like when it compiles the code, it doesn't actually matter. Unless it does. I don't think there's any difference in the overhead between a switch and an if statement. Because all both of them would be doing would just be like switching the current execution line to a different address. What do you mean change element of my stream?
But you can set your stream titles.
Yeah. Honestly, I think I'm unsure actually. Okay. What do you mean gauge? I don't understand what you mean by gauge. Oh, I don't have the emoji. Yeah, I don't have that stuff set up at all. No, yeah. No, like I said, I'm just trying to fucking finish. Dude, stop distracting me, dude. The people who are watching the stream are gonna think I'm fucking crazy, dude. I'm like talking to myself and I'm saying stop distracting me, and then my fucking mental breakdown earlier. Oh my god, like this is not a good look. This is not a good look, bro. I finally understand Patrick Bateman. I don't know how many people are watching this category. Okay, but it's gonna be they're gonna join this and they're gonna be like, what the fuck is going on here? This guy isn't even coding or like doing game dev. He's getting fucking distracted talking to himself in his head. Average schizophrenic. Okay. You want me to pull up a Vroid model? Let me pull up the fucking mate engine model that I fucking hold on. So I went. No, I'm the Jetta V. Yeah. Anyways, I pulled up that model. I modified their open source code, recompiled it so it had AI models in it, but it cost too much money to run because what? Okay. Hear me out. Hear me out. Okay. I'll tell you why it costs so much money to run. One, it costs money when so the voice recognition part doesn't cost any money because we've had that technology for fucking forever. So that one you can run like in the application and it doesn't take up that much like processing power. That one's fine. But then the large language model, every time you send the recognized voice over to the API, that costs money to process a response. The process response gets sent back, streamed back, and then the stream back part gets sent to another AI model that does voice synthesis. That costs money as well. So basically, every time you talk to the fucking mate engine branch I made, and you have the API keys set up in your application, every 10 seconds is about like 5 cents. So you can tell it's quite expensive considering like I say like fucking 5, like, you know, I'm talking to you and I say maybe like 10 words in 10 seconds, right? And then you know how sometimes AI language models decide to make very lengthy responses? Oh yeah. So sometimes it just goes off on a rant and I just see my credits being like chugged up. Like it's just like eating the fucking credits for breakfast, bro. It's like I'm generating these voice lines for you. Yeah, so it's not sustainable because if you want to run the large language model locally, you can. It's just it'll fucking kill your computer. Especially the voice synthesis model, it will kill your computer. Which is why, you know, how all of these AI companies that give you like the prompt, you can type in a prompt, everything's super fast, right? The amount of computing power they have to do that is actually insane. So yeah. So either you get like a very small model, like a tiny fucking model, which usually sucks ass and doesn't sound good enough, which is why I decided to use the APIs instead. But then the problem with using the fucking APIs is like money. And I'm like, and then I think to myself, am I really gonna make a fucking desktop companion and pay like fucking tens of dollars every day just because there's no reason to? And I was like, I just realized this entire conversation, I'm talking to myself. I'm rambling to myself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Combat instance does not contain a definition for a perform planning phase and no accessible extension method perform planning phase, excepting a first argument of type combat instance could be found. Anyways, are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah, all right. Everyone is, dude, I swear to God, everyone's just trying to meet end of the year fucking requirements, and they're just like putting everything in this last couple. I can't take this anymore, dude. This is a terrible idea. I'm just gonna put this in code that this is a terrible idea because if you run an asynchronous function, okay, I'm not even gonna explain this to you. Actually, you know what? I'll explain this to you. So, no. I'm teaching you something about code. No, it's two words. Two words. Do you know what synchronous and asynchronous means? Very simple.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want you to know it's usually a bad idea to run asynchronous code without tracking it. And the reason is because it can just become untracked garbage data that's never deleted because it's running in the background forever. But that's what I'm going to do. I should put async in the fucking name, dude, just so. No. You know what? Let's not make this async. Let's just write another function real quick. Private bool perform combat phase. Perform combat phase async. And we're just gonna run that like this. Or this is a shitty idea. Yeah, this is, dude, this, the more I look at this code, the more shit it is.
And
I might just, you know what? Fuck this, dude. What happens if I just do this and then I go await? Await can only be used within an async method. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I fucking hate asynchronous programming, dude. What the fuck is this? Which one should it be, bro? Async. Stuff. No, this is a terrible idea. Oh my god. Again? I mean, I'm replaying fucking Witcher again, so why not, right?
No. You were supposed to play the Neveron thing.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this notation? Wait, what is this? What is this discard task underscore? Discard operator is a feature introduced in C# 7.0 that allows developers to ignore values that are not needed in their code, represented by underscore. The discard operator helps in writing cleaner, more efficient, readable code by explicitly indicating that certain values can be safely ignored. Why would I have to discard this? Unless the task always returns a task. I guess I'm discarding the task. I'm not actually using it. But the task is doing a ton of shit. Okay, you know what? Fuck this, dude. Perform. This is fine. It's fine. We don't call it the fucking async here. But if I make the method async, then... Oh my god. I guess I need to write it to a result. So I guess I would be like result. I would just go like Is there a variable, generic variable here? No. Fine. Yeah. So if I just call get a waiter, does that mean it just waits? What the fuck is get a waiter, dude? Dude, what are these fucking, what is get a waiter, dude? Is get a waiter C#? What the fuck does get a waiter do? Get a waiter, it retrieves the task awaiter. So what the fuck is the task awaiter? Gets an awaiter used to await this task. Oh, I guess I can wait for the result then. Okay, so if I go get a waiter dot, but then it will only do one at a time. The fuck does this return? Nah, I don't fucking get it, bro. What the fuck is get a waiter, dude? What does get a waiter even do, dude? Is task.result the same as get a waiter? Get a waiter is preferred over task.await and task.result because it propagates exceptions rather than wrapping them in an aggregate exception. However, all three methods cause the potential for deadlock and pool starvation issues. They should be avoided in favor of async await. So I should just not have that, and I should just have async await here. And I should just make this an asynchronous function. But this is a fucking mono behave. Oh my god, dude. I go bool result equals this. And then I just go this as a bool. Well, are you happy now?
No. Never. Never said. Never said.
No, this thing is not satisfied. I don't get. Okay, so get a waiter can cause spread starvation issues, which means it's not a good idea. Dude, I want to test this, but oh my god, this seems like such a terrible fucking idea. Dude, do I even do this with async? Maybe I just fucking... Maybe I just make this like a state machine instead of a fucking task. So then it would just have multiple calls to this though. That'd be the problem. So it'd be like, call this, go to const start, and then while It might actually be better if I just do it like that. What do you mean jobbers? I don't get what you mean by jobbers, bro. I mean, yeah, I don't have a job. Okay, maybe. You know what? Let's get rid of this fucking shit. Let's not make it a task. This seems like a yeah, this dude, the more I look at it, the more this is a shit idea. Yeah, this just seems, the more I fucking see, dude. But then, is it really a good idea to make a fucking dictionary every single call? This one would just do it during the task, and oh my god, is it? How many calls would that? So that would be 1, 2, 3. And then within that, there is one check, another assignment, another access. Ugh. Dude, that's why asynchronous programming sucks, bro. It's like you're thinking about like pros and cons, and you're just paralyzed over what the fuck to do. I think it makes sense to have it be asynchronous. Well, it makes sense to make it asynchronous because I want to have the loop here. Else, maybe I just put this inside of the combat instance. What? Adorable? Do I track action values in the combat? Yeah. No, but then it needs to reset. Oh, fuck this, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I put action values here, and I just have it check if there's one there. That makes more sense. Hmm? Okay. Door. Fuck it. If this turns out to be a problem later, we'll deal with it when it comes up. Action values dot count is equal to 0. Then we do this. Yeah, we're making it not async for now. Nope. Nope. I've never gone in my life. Why? Yeah, it makes more sense for it to not be like async, to be honest. Then you just call this multiple times and you don't fucking have a problem of it ever being. Yeah. Maybe it is. Who knows? Why? She hates the place. Everyone hates the place. I think this should work. Now I just need to like actually set it up and hope that it runs. Set the tester up tomorrow. Okay, so the tester needs to create a combat instance, add the characters, 2 teams to it, add 2 characters to the 2 teams. And then it needs to start the combat, put in the start, call the function over and over again until. Maybe it is better to have it be a task. I will see. We'll see. Okay, now I need to write a test script. It should be public. Why is this private? Okay. Not contains player team. Let's just write a tester for this. So tester, create 2 teams, create combat instance, progress combat instance. Yeah. Ooh. This is not going to work. That's going to cause a problem there. Yeah, this should work. Let me just write a test function now. List. Systems collections using system collections .generic. What is it? There we go. This is team 1. I'm going to rename these characters. That way we just have yeah. Okay. What do you mean? Why are you here? You are listening to me ramble, and it sounds like I'm talking to myself. I should stop.